Right now, somewhere in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, a massive cargo ship is moving through the waves. But there's no captain, no crew, no humans on board at all. Welcome to the future of shipping. What you're about to witness will change everything you thought you knew about ocean transport. Today, we're diving deep into a world of autonomous container ships, the ghost vessels that are silently revolutionizing global trade. I'm taking you inside the most advanced maritime technology on Earth, from AI-powered navigation systems to self-operating ports. This is the story of how robots conquered the 7 seas. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these unmanned giants work, why they're safer than traditional ships, and what this means for the future of everyone on this planet. Let's begin. The shipping industry moves 90% of everything we own. Your phone, your clothes, your food, almost everything traveled by sea. But for centuries, this industry relied on one thing: human sailors. Now, imagine a 400-meter-long container ship carrying 20,000 containers worth billions of dollars, navigating treacherous waters, avoiding storms, and docking perfectly, all by itself. This isn't science fiction anymore. Companies like Yara International, Rolls-Royce Marine, and China's ZPMC have already launched fully autonomous vessels. The future is here, and it's sailing without us. But how does a ship think? How does it see? And most importantly, how does it make split-second decisions that can mean life or death? Let me show you. Every autonomous ship has what's called an intelligent awareness system. Essentially, a supercomputer brain that never sleeps, never gets tired, and processes millions of data points every second. This AI brain is connected to hundreds of sensors covering every inch of the vessel. LiDAR sensors create 3D maps of surroundings. Thermal cameras detect objects in complete darkness. Radar systems track weather patterns 200 miles away. And here's the incredible part. All these systems communicate with each other instantly, creating a level of situational awareness that's actually superior to human perception. If you're fascinated by this technology like I am, hit that subscribe button right now. We're exploring the factories and technologies that are building our tomorrow, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's talk navigation. Traditional ships use GPS and human judgment. Autonomous ships, they use something called sensor fusion technology, combining GPS, satellite data, ocean current models, and real-time weather analysis. The system plots not just one route, but thousands of potential routes simultaneously, calculating fuel efficiency, safety scores, and arrival times for each one. Then it chooses the optimal path. And if something unexpected happens, a sudden storm, a whale pod, or another vessel, the AI recalculates everything in milliseconds. Human captains take minutes. The AI takes microseconds. But navigation is just the beginning. These ships must also manage their own engines, power systems, and cargo. Let me show you how. The engine room of an autonomous ship looks like something from a sci-fi movie. Robotic arms monitor pressure gauges. AI systems optimize fuel consumption in real time. Predictive maintenance algorithms detect problems before they happen. Traditional ships waste up to 30% of their fuel due to human error and inefficient routing. Autonomous ships, they're achieving 20 to 40% better fuel efficiency. That's billions of dollars saved and millions of tons less carbon emissions. The power distribution system is equally impressive. Solar panels on the deck, wind-assisted propulsion systems, and battery banks work together like a perfectly choreographed dance. The AI constantly balances power draw across all systems, ensuring maximum efficiency. It's like having the world's best engineer monitoring every circuit, every wire, every component, 24/7. Now, here's something most people don't think about. Cargo isn't just loaded and forgotten. On a voyage across the Pacific, containers shift, temperatures change, and balance becomes critical. Autonomous ships use smart containers equipped with sensors. These containers report their weight, position, temperature, and even any movement. If something shifts dangerously, the ship knows immediately. The AI can then adjust the ship's ballast tanks, massive water tanks that control the vessel's balance. To compensate, it's like watching a giant steel whale adjust its own buoyancy perfectly. Some advanced systems even use robotic cranes on board to physically relocate containers mid-voyage if needed. Human crews could never do this safely while at sea. Here's where things get really interesting. Collision avoidance. The ocean might seem empty, but in major shipping lanes, it's actually crowded with vessels, fishing boats, and marine life. Autonomous ships use something called CAREG's AI, artificial intelligence trained specifically on the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. It knows every maritime rule perfectly. When another vessel approaches, the system identifies it, predicts its trajectory, calculates collision risk, and if necessary, initiates evasive maneuvers, all while following international maritime law to the letter. In tests, these systems have shown reaction times 60 times faster than human captains. That's the difference between a safe passage and a catastrophic collision. Weather is the ocean's greatest danger. Rogue waves, hurricanes, fog, ice. These have destroyed ships for thousands of years. But autonomous vessels have an advantage humans never had. They're connected to global weather satellite networks, receiving updates every few minutes. Machine learning algorithms analyze historical storm data to predict dangerous conditions hours before they arrive. This technology is absolutely mind-blowing, isn't it? Drop a comment below and tell me, would you trust a ship with no captain? I'm reading every comment, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. One of the most dangerous parts of any voyage is docking. Traditional captains train for years to master the skill. For autonomous ships, it's just another algorithm. As the ship approaches port, it communicates with automated port systems. Robotic tugboats position themselves. The ship's thrusters make microscopic adjustments. Everything's synchronized perfectly. When the ship touches the dock, it does so with pressure sensors, ensuring the contact is gentler than a human handshake. Then robotic cranes begin unloading containers immediately. From arrival to departure, a process that used to take 8 to 12 hours with human crews now takes 3 to 4 hours. The efficiency gains are staggering. Now, you might be wondering, are these ships completely alone? Not exactly. Let me introduce you to the Remote Operations Center.
Tracking anomaly in Pacific sector, alerting assets. Copy, Atlantic assets are on standby. Confirmed, rerouting carrier group.
In facilities scattered around the world, human operators monitor dozens of autonomous ships simultaneously. Think of them less like captains and more like air traffic controllers. They don't control the ship directly. Instead, they observe, supervise, and can intervene only if something truly unexpected occurs. The ships handle 99.9% of operations independently. This hybrid approach combines the reliability of AI with human oversight for truly unusual situations. It's the best of both worlds. So what about jobs? This is a question everyone asks, and the answer might surprise you. Yes, autonomous ships reduce the need for sailors on vessels, but they're creating new jobs: AI specialists, remote operators, drone technicians, system maintenance engineers, and data analysts. More importantly, these ships make shipping safer. 75% of maritime accidents are caused by human error. Autonomous systems eliminate fatigue, eliminate distraction, eliminate human mistakes. And let's be honest, life at sea is hard. Months away from family, dangerous conditions, isolation. This technology allows humans to contribute to shipping from the safety of shore with their families. Of course, with all this technology comes a new challenge: cybersecurity. An autonomous ship is essentially a floating computer, and computers can be hacked. That's why these vessels use military-grade encryption, blockchain-verified communication protocols, and redundant systems that can operate even if the main computer is compromised. Multiple independent AI systems monitor each other for unusual behavior. If one system is hacked, the others detect it immediately and isolate the compromised component. Cybersecurity experts actually argue that autonomous ships are more secure than traditional vessels because humans can be bribed, coerced, or make mistakes. Code doesn't have those vulnerabilities. Let's talk about something crucial: the environment. Shipping produces about 3% of global carbon emissions. That's more than all of aviation combined. Autonomous ships are changing this. Optimal routing saves fuel. Electric and hybrid power systems reduce emissions. AI-optimized speeds minimize environmental impact. Some autonomous vessels are even equipped with ocean cleanup systems, collecting plastic waste as they travel. They're not just neutral, they're actively helping heal our oceans. Let me give you some real examples. The Yara Birkeland, launched in Norway, is the world's first fully electric autonomous container ship. Zero emissions, zero crew. It's been operating successfully for years. China's Yifei completes regular autonomous voyages carrying thousands of tons of cargo. Japan's Suzuki operates in some of the busiest shipping lanes in the world without incident. These aren't prototypes or experiments. These are working vessels, moving real cargo, generating real profits, proving the technology works right now, today. Experts predict that by 2030, 25% of all new cargo ships will be autonomous. By 2040, that number could reach 70%. We're witnessing the biggest transformation in maritime history since the invention of the steam engine, and it's happening faster than anyone predicted. If this is blowing your mind, share this video with someone who needs to see it. The future is happening right now, and most people have no idea. Imagine the world 10 years from now. Autonomous ships operating 24/7 with perfect efficiency. Shipping costs cut in half. Carbon emissions slashed. Oceans becoming cleaner. Imagine receiving products from across the world faster, cheaper, and more sustainably than ever before. That's not fantasy. That's the inevitable result of this technology. But it goes beyond shipping. The same AI systems piloting these vessels will soon drive our cars, fly our planes, and operate our factories. This is where it all begins. We stand in an extraordinary moment in human history. For the first time, we've created machines intelligent enough to navigate our world independently, not to replace us, but to free us from danger and drudgery. These unmanned ships crossing our oceans aren't just about efficiency or profit. They represent something profound: humanity's ability to solve impossible problems with innovation and courage. The future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we build one breakthrough at a time. And right now, that future is sailing across the Pacific, carrying the promise of tomorrow. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. If you want to see more cutting-edge technology shaping our world, subscribe now. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And tell me in the comments, what technology should we explore next? Underwater autonomous drones? AI-powered warehouses? Robotic construction sites? Your suggestions shape this channel. Remember, the future belongs to those who understand it. Keep learning, keep questioning, keep wondering. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll explore another amazing technology changing everything. Until then, keep your eyes on the horizon, because somewhere out there, a ship with no captain is charting a course to our future. And it's a future worth believing in.